Clickbank Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to the Clickbank website. On the homepage, you will be offered to become an affiliate or seller. Choose affiliates. You'll land on the account setup page. You can skip this step. Next, you'll reach the sign up page or log in if you already have an account. Fill in your first name, last name, phone number, active email address, and create a strong and memorable password. Click Continue to Terms and Conditions. Make sure you read the terms, then return and hit Join Clickbank. On the next screen, click No Thanks. Continue to sign up. Now, complete your profile. Enter your first and last name, social security number, country, phone number, full street address, state, city, postal code, and date of birth. Click Save, then go to the affiliate marketplace. Click New Offers to browse available affiliate programs. Select an offer and click Affiliate page. You'll be taken to the Affiliate Resources page. You can copy your affiliate link. And don't forget to be sure to replace 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝘀𝘀 with your Clickbank affiliate nickname to get credit for referrals.